Alright guys, now up on live break. Again, we have our random division 3-box Panini basketball group break mixer number 6. That is scheduled right now. Again, appreciate everybody joining us for the break. I'm going to jump over to the rules page. As you can see, the customer will receive all cards with their team name printed on the main image of the card. In the event of cards containing 2 more players from different teams, random.org will be used to randomize that card between the associated teams. In the event of a player being in an Olympic All-Star uniform, the team printed on the card will be given to that team that the player currently plays for. If that player is retired, the card will be randomized between the teams that players played for during his entire career if he is in All-Star or Olympic uniform. Alright, so that is that. Let's jump over to random.org. What I'm going to do is I'm going to randomize your names 5 times. We'll put that in the list. We'll take all the divisions. We'll randomize that. So Peter Z had slot 1, Robert C slot 2, David S slot 3, Robert C slot 4, Adonis Z slot 5, and Robert C slot 6. So let's randomize these here. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and a 5th. So we got Robert C at 1 and 2, Adonis Z 3, David S 4, Peter Z 5, Robert C 6. I'm going to copy these, put them into our Excel spreadsheet. There we go. Jump back over here. Let me grab the divisions now. Go back to random.org. Place those back in. So we got the Atlantic, Central, Southeast, Northwest, Pacific, and Southwest. Let's randomize these 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and a 5th. Atlantic, Northwest, Central, Southwest, Southeast, and Pacific. So let's take those in there. There we go. So what we have here is Robert C has the Atlantic, Robert C has the Northwest, Adonis Z with Central, David S gets the Southwest, Peter Z gets the Southeast, and Robert C gets the Pacific. So let's save that here real quick to my desktop. Yep. We'll just leave that up. Alright, so let's get back to breaking here. Again, we have a 2012-13 Panini Innovation basketball box, 2014-15 Totally Certified basketball box, and a 13-14 Titanium basketball box. So everybody, good luck in the break. Let's get started. All right. That is your first box there. First pack. We have Dirk Nowitzki to the Mavs, Damian Lillard to the Trailblazers, number to 99 Luster insert, Darren Williams. AP, I did not. Did you send it to mine or this one right here that I'm on? Let me know. On the back, we have an autographed card of Ish Smith going to the Phoenix Suns. Okay, I'll check that when I go back into my room right after this break. So Ish Smith to the Suns. Next up, Gerald Henderson, Derek Favors, Ricky Rubio. On the back, we have an autographed card, Andre Iguodala. That is going out to the Golden State Warriors. And who gets that one? Robert C. Next up, Zach Randolph, Carl Landry, DeMarcus Cousins. On the back, we have a jersey card going to the Clippers, Blake Griffin. Also going to Robert C. Up next, Kobe Bryant, JJ Redick, DeAndre Jordan. We got a Kobe on the back. That is going to be a jersey card, number /299. That is going out to Robert C. So the Pacific is really cleaning up right now. All right. Next up, we have Millsap, Russell Westbrook, Fundamentals. Who is this? DeMarcus Cousins, number /199. And on the back, we have a jersey card, number /299, Chris Paul. What's up, 2012 Donnie? All right, so that will do it for the titanium. Let's go on to Totally Certified. Okay, what part of Pittsburgh? There we go. On to the Totally Certified. We have Andrew Bogut. Sean Kemp, that's going to go to the Thunder. Scottie Pippen on the die cut, blue. That is going to be 74. Kobe Bryant, number /279, red. And on the back, we have a Oklahoma City Thunder, number /199, Serge Ibaka on the jersey. Okay, cool. That's where our retail store is up in North Hills. Next up, Dion Waiters, Wilt Chamberlain, Alonzo Mourning, number /279. Going to be a red mirror. Next up, James Harden. On the back, going to the Lakers, number /249. Jeremy Lin on the jersey. Next up, DeMar DeRozan, Enes Kanter, Corey Jefferson. Got an Andrew Wiggins up next, going to the T-Wolves. On the back, number /199, that is going to be Dwayne Wade on the jersey card. And our last pack here should have an auto in it. We have Jeff Teague, Jared Sullinger, Nick Johnson. We have number /149, Kyle Lowry. That is going to be a blue. And on the auto, we have number /299 going to the Magic. That is going to be Peter Z. Alfred Payton, rookie roll call. All right, so that will do it for that box. On to the innovation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to randomize off this Kobe Bryant Anthology Pack. Even though it says Lakers on it, everybody's going to have a shot at it because it's going to be all Kobe's. So I'm going to randomize that at the end. Okay, sounds good. I'll check it on my screen whenever I go back in my room. All right. Starting off, Nando De Colo going to the Spurs. Number /349. Taj Gibson up next. JaVale McGee. Got a Kobe Bryant Innovators insert. Next up, we got a stained glass going to the Trailblazers, LaMarcus Aldridge. Really like those cards on that one. And then get to the hits here. We have going to the Dallas Mavericks, fine prints autographs, Jim Jackson. There we go. Next up, fine prints autographs, Ed Davis. Let's find out who he was from in that year, what name would be printed on the card. I'm going to leave that one till after. And then we have a jumbo jersey going to the Lakers of Dwight Howard. Dwight Howard on the jersey. All right, so we got a couple things real quick. Let me jump over here to innovation. That is going to the Memphis Grizzlies. Memphis Grizzlies will get the Ed Davis autograph. All right. So we're going to take it back over to random.org. I'm going to randomize everybody's names one more time. To see who gets the Kobe pack. All right, so there you go. Robert C, Adonis Z, David S, Peter Z, Robert C. Going 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to Robert C. Actually kind of works out because you got the Lakers anyway. So going out to you, Robert C. Again, appreciate everybody who's joined us live for the random group break division mixer. Got a whole bunch of group case breaks coming up. So check those out on the site at 3 p.m. Eastern Time today. We have our 2015 Topps 5-Star Random Team Group Case Break. Again at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So grab your spots in there. Only 9 spots left. Should be a fun group case break. So check those out. We'll get them filled. And if not, we'll get it broken live anyways at 3. So I will see you guys again at 3. And again, if you guys want any spots, please feel free to check out our website.
Rookie FX, Glenn Robinson. Rookie FX, Hakeem Olajuwon. Canvas of Dave Cowens. All right, still no autographs yet here. Rookie FX, Sergei Karasev. And we have On-Court Authentics, Bill Walton. Shadow box card. Rookie FX, John Havlicek. Canvas, Sergei Karasev. And on our first autograph, Pierre Jackson. Next, we have an autograph by the letter, Sven Nader. Numbered 55 of 75. Rookie FX, Larry Bird. Rookie FX of Allen Houston. Canvas, Karl Malone. And our final pack. Autograph card, Rod Strickland, Sign of the Times. Okay. Gonna finish the break off with the 2 Super Break Basketball Super Packs. Good luck to you here. Let's see what we can pull for you. Alright, multiple cards in here. heavy too. First up, we have an autograph, David Robinson and Hakeem Olajuwon. And that is numbered 6 of 15 from Upper Deck Exquisite. Alright, awesome. Dual auto, David Robinson and Hakeem Olajuwon. Next card, we have a Derrick Rose Bowman Chrome rookie from 2008-09, graded a 9.5. That is numbered 434 of 499. Chrome Refractor Derrick Rose. Alright, our final super pack. 3 cards inside. First is an autograph of Kyrie Irving. Numbered 14 of 25 from Panini Crusade. Followed up with a Paul George jersey card out of 99 from National Treasures. And the final card, Damian Lillard Gold Prospects, numbered 8 of 10. It's going to be from Panini Gold Standard. Graded a 9.5, also from Beckett. Alright, 2 awesome super packs there. Thank you very much, Justin. Thanks for breaking with us again, and we'll get everything shipped out for you as soon as we can. Trent Richardson, Julio Jones, Larry Fitzgerald, Kadeem Carey, and Antonio Brown, numbered out of 25 with a 3-color piece. Certified Fabrics. Aaron Rodgers, Andre Ellington. Mike Davis, numbered 1 of 50. Zach Mettenberger, and autograph of D. Ford. Eric Decker, D'Angelo Williams, CJ Spiller, Chris Borland, and auto jersey, Sammy Watkins. Nick Foles, DeMarco Murray, AJ Green, Zach Mettenberger, and clear cloth, Brandon Cooks out of 100. Rob Gronkowski, Geno Smith, Tom Brady, Ed Reynolds, and jersey card of Terrence West. Joe Montana, Jamal Charles. Got Martavis Bryant, blue parallel out of 50. Jerick McKinnon, and Josh Huff autograph, numbered 13 of 50. All right, when we're done with this next box, we'll randomize the Panini points cards, and then see who gets the jersey after that. Sam Bradford, Josh Gordon, Jay Cutler, Teddy Bridgewater, and autograph card of Alshon Jeffrey. Vincent Jackson, Arian Foster, Wes Welker, Odell Beckham Jr., and jersey card Marquise Lee. Colin Kaepernick, Robert Woods, Terrell Suggs, Allen Robinson, and Odell Beckham Jr. jersey swatch. All right, final pack here, totally certified. Nick Foles, Matt Ryan, blue Tavon Austin out of 50, Terrence West, and a Tyler Gaffney autograph card, number 2/5 to the New England Patriots. All right, nice way to end that. All right, we're going to jump back